In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails directly from Google Docs. If you already have a document open and you want to share it quickly without downloading it first, Google Docs has a built-in option that makes the process simple. This is especially useful when you want to send a copy of your document as an attachment in just a few clicks. To begin, look at the top menu inside your Google Doc. Click File, then move down to Email and select Email, this file. This opens the email window directly inside Google Docs, so you can prepare your message without leaving the document. It's a convenient shortcut because it combines exporting and emailing into one step. Once that window appears, enter the recipient's email address in the appropriate field. Make sure the address is correct before moving on, since this is where the file will be sent. If you're sending the document to more than one person, take a moment to verify each address carefully to avoid sending the file to the wrong contact. After that, add a subject line. Keep it clear and specific so the recipient immediately understands what the email is about. You can also include an optional message in the body of the email. This is a good place to add context, such as a short explanation of what the document contains or why you're sending it. Even a brief note can make your email feel more complete and professional. Next, choose the file format you want to send. Google Docs gives you several options, including PDF, Microsoft Word document or .docx, rich text format or .rtf, open document or .odt, and plain text or .txt. The format you choose depends on how the recipient will use the file. For example, PDF is a great choice when you want to preserve formatting, while a Word file may be better if the other person needs to edit the content. Once everything looks good, click Send. Google Docs will then email the document in the format you selected directly from the interface. And that's all it takes. Sending emails straight from Google Docs is a fast and efficient way to share your work without extra downloads or attachments handled manually. If you use Google Docs regularly, this small feature can save time and make your workflow a lot smoother.